In this video, I will show how to set B4 paper size in Microsoft Excel. So guys, click on this page layout and size, and in this list you have to find out B4, this one. So select it. Similarly, you can select B5, A3, A4, and there are some more paper size. Once you click here paper size in this drop down, so you have these all options as you have these options in Microsoft Word. So this is the similar guys, and once you try to print, so here you can adjust setting for print and you can set up the page. Select no scaling, fit on one page. So there are some options you can select as your requirement. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.